making an adorable spring hair bow, what you will need, I have the large Bowdabra bow maker, some bow wire, pretty spring ribbon. This is gorgeous, 1.5 inches in width, and it is wire edge. I have a 3/8 inch width piece, 4 inches long, and that is going to cover my hair clip that I have here. Also scissors and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is fold your bow wire in half and place it down in the center of your Bowdabra. Then I'm going to work from my ribbon directly on the roll. I'm going to take the end, scrunch it, fold it in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down in the center of my Bowdabra. And then I'm going to make a loop. You are able to measure your loops if you choose to do so, but I just kind of estimate because they don't have to be perfect. And then I'm going to scrunch and place it down. Now, my ribbon does not have a right and a wrong side, but if you are using ribbon that has a right and a wrong side, you will have to add in this extra step. You will scrunch and then twist your ribbon before placing it down on the Bowdabra. But again, I don't have to do that because my ribbon is the same on both sides. So I'm just going to scrunch it again and then place it down. And then use your wand to help scrunch everything together. And then I'm going to repeat the same steps again for as many times as I'd like. It just depends on how many loops you want and how large you want your hair bow. It's looking so cute and precious already. I'm just adjusting. I always like to adjust my hair bow when I have the wand in place. And then to finish up, I'm going to just make 2 more smaller loops towards the center of the bow. If you want to keep all the loops large, you can definitely do that. You can just modify this bow to fit your needs however you'd like. One nice scrunch, and look at how precious that is. This is a very large spring hair bow. It's perfect for spring. It kind of looks like a large flower in your hair. And when you're all done, just cut away the rest of the ribbon. And then we're going to tie the bow wire. So I'm going to take the 2 open ends and place it inside of the loop. Hold my bow in place, give it a nice tug, and then remove it from the Bowdabra. Once I do this, I'm going to tie the bow wire a few more times just for extra security. And then I'm going to cut away any excess bow wire that I have. If I was tying this to something, then I would keep the bow wire in place. But I'm just adjusting it one more time, making sure everything looks so cute and precious. Next thing I'm going to do is take another piece of my ribbon and I'm going to tie it in a simple knot. The length does not matter because we're going to just cut away the excess, but I'm just going to tie it in a knot, and this is going to serve as the center of my hair bow. And you can hot glue the ribbon in place or you can just tie it in a knot. I'm just going to tie it in a knot and then cut away the excess ribbon. You can use a different color ribbon for your center if you choose to do so. But it looks so cute and precious already. Last thing we have to do is add our hair clip and we're all done. Alright, so we're done with the clip and we are just going to hot glue it to the back of our hair bow. And I just add glue right along the flat back. Alright, once you add the glue, you're just going to press it down on the back of the hair clip. And you are all done. So cute and simple to do.